Howdy everybody, I got a house out here in Pilot Point, horse country of North Texas. I want to give you a tour. So the property is 7.8 acres, it's got 2 barns. You guys are going to love it, fully fenced in, it's a really nice property. Okay, so this first barn has 5 horse stalls and we got a little foal in here I want to show you. So this is the 3-star foaling barn that they have. It has 3 stalls, a washroom right here, and over here is the tack room. All right, let's check out the house.